Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Smartliving. I hope you are doing well. Our today's video is all about alien. Let's know who is aliens. They are natural or who created alien. The idea of aliens in space refers to the concept of extraterrestrial life forms that could exist beyond Earth. In the vastness of the universe, while there is currently no definitive evidence of such beings, the possibility of extraterrestrial life has captured the imagination of scientists, writers, and enthusiasts for centuries. Many scientific efforts, such as the search for exoplanets and the exploration of Mars, are aimed at discovering evidence of alien life. However, as of now, no conclusive proof has been found. The search for extraterrestrial life remains one of the most intriguing and compelling quests in science and exploration. Who created alien? The concept of aliens, or extraterrestrial beings, is a product of human imagination, speculation, and exploration of the universe throughout history. Various cultures have pondered the existence of beings beyond Earth. However, in terms of popular culture and fiction, many writers, filmmakers, and artists have contributed to the portrayal and creation of alien characters and civilizations. One of the most iconic depictions of aliens in popular culture is from H.G. Wells' novel The War of the Worlds, published in 1898, which features Martian invaders. In the modern era, movies, television shows, and literature have further popularized the concept of aliens, with franchises like Star Trek, Star Wars, and the Alien series playing significant roles in shaping our ideas about extraterrestrial life. Ultimately, while there's no concrete evidence of aliens as depicted in popular culture, the exploration of space continues to fuel our curiosity and imagination about the possibility of encountering other forms of life beyond Earth. Space. Is there any life exists in space? As of now, there is no confirmed evidence of extraterrestrial life. Scientists have not discovered any definitive proof of life beyond Earth, despite ongoing searches in our solar system and beyond. However, the discovery of extremophiles, microorganisms that can thrive in extreme environments on Earth, has expanded our understanding of where life could exist. Efforts such as the search for microbial life on Mars, investigations of moons like Europa and Enceladus for potential subsurface oceans, and the study of exoplanets' inhabitable zones around other stars are all aimed at finding evidence of extraterrestrial life. While these endeavors have not yielded conclusive results yet, the search continues, driven by humanity's curiosity about our place in the universe and the potential for life elsewhere. Human-created alien. In terms of popular culture and fiction, humans have created various depictions and representations of aliens. Writers, filmmakers, artists, and creators have imagined diverse extraterrestrial beings with unique appearances, behaviors, and civilizations. These portrayals of aliens range from friendly and benevolent creatures to menacing and hostile invaders, reflecting different aspects of human imagination, fears, and aspiration. While humans have created countless fictional aliens in literature, movies, television shows, and other forms of media, there is currently no scientific evidence of extraterrestrial life. The search for extraterrestrial life remains a scientific endeavor, focusing on the exploration of space, the study of exoplanets, the search for biosignatures, and other methods aimed at understanding whether life exists beyond Earth. Human-created robots, calling them alien. It's not common for humans to create robots and refer to them as aliens. Typically, when humans create robots, they design them for specific tasks, such as industrial automation, research, or entertainment, and they usually give them names or designations based on their function or purpose. However, in science fiction and creative storytelling, authors and filmmakers have explored the idea of robots being perceived as aliens by humans or other characters within the narrative. These stories often delve into themes of artificial intelligence, consciousness, and the nature of humanity. In such contexts, robots may indeed be portrayed as alien entities in terms of their origin, behavior, or capabilities, challenging conventional notions of what it means to be human or to encounter extraterrestrial life. In summary, while humans may create robots for various purposes, the concept of referring to robots as aliens is more commonly found in fictional narratives exploring themes of artificial intelligence and the unknown. Human went to space to search for alien. Humans have indeed ventured into space for various reasons, including scientific exploration, technological advancement, and the search for potential signs of extraterrestrial life. Space agencies such as NASA, ESA, Roscosmos, and others have conducted missions to explore our solar system and beyond, searching for conditions that could support life or signs of past or present life forms. For example, probes and rovers have been sent to Mars to study its surface and geological history for evidence of water and possible microbial life. Space telescopes like the Hubble Space Telescope and the Kepler Space Telescope have been used to search for habitable exoplanets and study their atmospheres for potential signs of life. The search for extraterrestrial life remains one of the fundamental questions driving space exploration. While humans have not yet found definitive evidence of aliens, the exploration of space continues, fueled by curiosity and the quest to understand our place in the universe. Well, dear viewers, as of now, there hasn't been any conclusive evidence of extraterrestrial life found in the universe. However, it's important to note that the universe is vast, and our exploration of it is still in its early stages. The search for extraterrestrial life is ongoing and multifaceted, encompassing various scientific disciplines and exploration techniques. While we haven't discovered aliens yet, the absence of evidence is not evidence of absence. There are many potentially habitable environments within our solar system and beyond where life could exist, and our understanding of what constitutes a suitable habitat for life continues to evolve. The quest to find extraterrestrial life remains a fascinating and active area of research, with ongoing efforts to explore planets, moons, and exoplanets, as well as to search for signs of life in the cosmos. So, while we haven't found aliens yet, the exploration continues, and the possibility of discovering extraterrestrial life remains an exciting prospect for the future. Well, dear friends, that was all for today. Thank you for watching Smart Living. I will see you in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.